Hey y'all, I'm about to put on a bob wig from Varia Hair. This is the wig. She's super T, and it's a bob. I just got it longer so I have extra space to like customize it the way I want to, and I'm definitely gonna do a side part. Here's the packaging. This is the hair, and this I think 16 inches. Like I said, a bob is normally 10 to 12, but I just want an extra room to customize it. And it comes with, it's a closure wig 5x5. It comes with all these combs in it, and a comb at the bottom, and of course adjustable drawstring to lock everything in. So I think we can go ahead and put the wig on. I use makeup on the lace. It's my Fenty Pro Filter foundation powder that I use, and I'm gonna add some more once I put the wig on, but this should be good. It fits my head very comfortably. Y'all see the melt in the lace? It's already super good. Y'all see that, right? That's wonderful. So for now, this is a HD lace, as y'all can tell. I didn't even cut the stuff off of it, but I'm going to hold my adjustable drawstring even though I don't really need it, and tuck it back under, and it's secure on my head. So now I'm about to cut the lace by, first I'm gonna hot comb on my hair back. I don't think I'm gonna do any edges, just for the fact that the lace looks so good. I don't really need to, so. Once it's all hot comb back, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut zigzag. I think I'm still gonna go no baby hair. So I'm gonna use my spritz to melt the lace in. This is a glueless wig. I just can't get over how thin the lace is, y'all. I know y'all can see it. It's already melted without me even doing that. And I'm gonna just take a random elastic headband and let all that sit while I straighten the hair. Or should I do curls? Okay, y'all. So let's take the headband off. And look how natural she's giving. Super cutesy. So I'm just gonna take some more of my makeup, just a little bit more. If I can find it. I can't get over how natural this looks. And the blend is crazy. It's not just like on camera. Like it looks so freaking good. And look how shiny and flowy the hair is. This is like the style, the length that I really want if I do cut my hair. Or when I do cut my hair back in the bottom. Oh, and I got hair all over my shirt. Overall, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. And if you love this wig, it's a Halloween sale. And all the details are going to be linked down below about how much you can get off for the sale. And codes and stuff like that. So y'all can get some money off of your purchase. But she is T. I know y'all see this, y'all. Like, this is how the wig came. Look how easy it is to comb through. It's so soft. It's so natural. And the lace is literally so HD. Like, isn't that crazy? How HD the lace is. But I'm going to try a side part on my little TikTok. So watch my TikTok to see how a side part looks. Or my reels. But yeah. Mwah. The link is down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the side part, y'all, and I just did it on my TikTok. But overall, this wig, y'all, I don't even have to say it's a 10 out of 10 because y'all can tell it's a 10 out of 10. Like, what? Get into her. So now I'm just about to pose because I already did my outro. So I just wanted to come back to show you how it looks on here without y'all having to go on TikTok. But yeah. Okay. Look how good that lace is, yeah. And all I used was spritz, no glue. Look. No glueless. Isn't that crazy? Insane, right? I did me a couple baby hairs for the side part because I feel like it's cuter. And now we can comb them out to fluff it out, make it look even more natural. Love this wig, y'all. Love this wig. And you love it too, definitely get it on sale for the Halloween sale for sure. And that's it for my tag talk. Let's get it from the start.